not exaggerating, but it's really, really thick. Right? Let's start with this one. These are written by them. I think this is the best picture ever. So we need to be extra careful with this one. No! I hate myself. My Border Day 1 album just arrived, and I decided to add this on my unboxing video together with B and minisode 1 Blue our album. So those two albums, those previous albums that I already unboxed, they arrived December last year, and I hadn't got any chance to edit that and upload it because I was busy taking a break from my studies since it was Christmas break, and I was also just relaxing, forgetting about the studies. So without further ado, I'll just unbox this so it wouldn't take a lot of your time. Let's start with the poster. So I'm really sorry if there's unnecessary noises because it's raining right now, and I just finished my online class, so I look quite stressed. Here's the poster. The next one that I'm going to show you is the Weaver's pre-order gift. It's actually a folder. Envelope. It's an envelope. See-through picture of ENHYPEN. I'm just gonna make this unboxing quickly as possible because I still have a lot of things to do. Hashtag college life. Next, we'll go through the album itself. Shada! The Dawn version. What I really love about minisode 1 and this album is they have a cover for the album. Let's unbox this. What's this? Okay. So okay, we'll start with this one. New World, Turning Point, Proof, Spotlight, The Sun, Calling. We have the postcard first. The 7 of them, and we have their signatures at the back. Hazen, Jake, Sunhoon, Sanu, Jungwon, the leader, Nikki, and we'll get through the CD first. The reason why I bought the Dawn version was because of its color. The Photobook. Where's the Photobook? Here's the Weaver's scan card. I didn't understand because it's in Hangul. We have 2 photo cards. Who's gonna be the first one? It's the blonde one. It's either Nikki or Jay. 1, 2, 3. He's really glowing every time I see him. The second one is Jay. We got 2 blondes. Head straight to the Photobook. That's the front, and here's the back. It's a 7 picture. The 7. So I'm just gonna pick my favorite photo of them. Okay? Don't be mad. This is my favorite photo of them. It's best picture as this one. Best picture. Can you simp over a 15-year-old boy? Sorry. He looks so pretty. Okay, I have 2 best photo of Sunhoon. This second one. This. Sir? That's really a great photo. It's really long. As an army and Moa myself, Heesung mentioned BTS and TXT. Jay also has a lot of things. Jake! He's really setting the standard so high. Look, lastly. He said lastly. Thank you, God. And Sunghoon's thanks too. Sonu also has a lot of thanks too. He mentioned all of the island members here. And then Miki wrote something in Japanese. So, actually saying goodbye right now because I still have a lot of things to do. So thank you for watching my unboxing video again. Although I think that this video will take a lot of time. So thank you for watching, and I hope you'll support all of the groups. That's all. Okay, bye.